Welcome to class. So we'll be learning this design. Okay, so I've gone ahead to cut out my fabric. It's going to be a short video tutorial because already we know how to make our base. So this is for the base, which measures 26 inches by 22 inches, 26 inches by 22 inches. Then the next fabric is for the foam cover, 7 inches for the width, and the length measures 28 inches. Okay, then this is the fabric for the knotted design, which measures 16 inches by 6. Okay, 16 inches by 6, 16 inches on the stretchy part and 6 inches for the width. I think that's all we need for this tutorial. So I'm using my rustic fabric. I've gone ahead to make my base. Just make your base, even if you're using a V plate, make your base. Okay, then this is the fabric for the foam. Fold into 2, go ahead and stitch and start your foam. Okay, so the main focus for this tutorial is just for us to achieve that design, that knotted design that is on top of it. Already we know how to make this our round pleated base, then attach our foam and all the rest. So I'll be skipping those parts. In case you don't know how to make your base, you don't know how to attach your padded loop, go through the channel or our Telegram page. You will see a video tutorial that will guide you. Alright, this is for the knotted design. Remember, the measurement is 16 inches for the length and 6 inches for the width. You can choose to increase it. Okay, first of all, I'm pinning it down for me to show you. So just watch this part carefully. So for us to achieve that design, see my hand, see the way I'm making my curve, because you're not going to be stitching it straight. Just stitch from that corner. Okay, so coming to the center of the fabric, I will leave like 1 inch or 1.5 for me to turn it out. Okay, then I'll go ahead and stitch all the way down. Getting to the other end, I will still curve it. That's just it. Or let's stitch. So just watch how I'm stitching it. See how where I started slantly. I want to make sure that the place I will leave for my turnout is at the center. Okay, that's why I'm measuring it. Then curve your hand. Trim off the excess fabric at the edges. Then proceed to turn it out. You can see the shape is already out. So proceed to turn it out So make sure you use your scissors or anything at all to push out the tip of that fabric. Okay, that pointed tip is very important. Okay, then I'll go ahead and close up the opening. Okay, either you stitch or you use your glue, whichever one that works for you. So I'll be stitching it down to close that part. So my turban cap is ready. I've attached the foam, the padded foam on it. And please take note, the foam I used for this tutorial, if you check this style very well, you will notice that it's not that half-inch foam. I use quarter-inch foam size, the flattest foam. Please take note, I use the flattest foam for this design. Okay, so I'm going to show you now how to style it. All you need to do is just to pass it through that padded design. Proceed to make a knot. Once you pass it, make sure before you make your knot, make sure it's equal. Okay, make sure both the loop is equal. No one is longer than each other. So once you tie or once you make your knot, adjust it. Okay, you adjust it, make sure that that knotted part is smooth, it's not that puffy, okay, or squeezing. That's just it. So the next thing I will do is to make sure you iron this loop. Okay, it's very important. Make sure you iron it. So this is the finished look after I've made my gathers and ironed the loop. So this is how it came out. All right, it's very simple and it's very beautiful. See you all in our next tutorial. Bye.